sitting in the lounge, and the gate is about to be called. I expect it to be gate 15. So more when we get on the plane. Oh, it's brand new. They got it in March. Boarding is complete. It's now 27 minutes past 12. So we've got just under 15 minutes before we're due to push back. Full flight. Oh, and the door's closed. It's now at 12:40. We've been given the menu, and the starter is strawberry and courgette salad, lemon ricotta and red chilies. Main course, grilled Scottish salmon, handmade vegetable tart with broccolini, whatever that is, and British cold plate, ham hock terrine, Wiltshire ham, salted beef quicks, cheddar and spiced coleslaw. Might have that. I certainly won't have the vegetable tart. Now that's the good thing, that we've got the menu, but the bad thing is the pilot's just told us there's a slot delay of an hour before we can take off, so we're going to be late. Great.
Attention whilst we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, as they may differ from any aircraft you have flown on before. Please check your seatbelt is fastened securely and warm whenever the seatbelt signs are on.
my name is Gareth, the in-flight lead. It is my pleasure to welcome you on board today. We do thank you for your patience. A special welcome to those of you returning from the British Airways Club and those of you returning from our Oneworld Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. In-seat power is available within the seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are also not permitted at any time during this flight. We will shortly start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens, please just ask any one of us. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotraveller, we'll be serving pre-purchased items from our High Life Cafe. This will then be followed by our High Life Cafe and shop service. If you would like to purchase from a selection of High Life Cafe items, please refer to the menu card in your seat pocket for further information. We are expected to arrive into Mykonos just after 7 PM local time, but if this does change, our flight crew will notify us throughout the flight. But if there's anything that we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please just ask any one of us. Thank you.
Well, as you can see, we're just leaving Luxembourg airspace. We're about, I don't know, 35-40 minutes out. We're at 39,000 feet and the food is served. I didn't go for the hot meal, the salmon, or the vegetarian tart. I went for the British cold plate. We've got some salad, but there's no dressing. Some biscuits to go with the cheese. Do & Co pudding. You see their vans at the airport. A warm bun. A pickle. Some ham, terrine, coleslaw, ham, and some other sort of meat with some cheese. And of of course, we've got the obligatory champagne. They no longer give you little bottles, you just get it by the glass. Anyway, it looks very nice, so I'm going to tuck in. Here we are, we're just coming up on Austria. We're still at 39,000 feet. Very smooth. Although since I've started speaking, there's a tiny little bit of movement. So I've got my tea, and I've also got some biscuits to go with it. So that'll keep me going until the goodie box comes out, which is full of chocolate and crisps.
attention, the captain has discontinued our approach into Mykonos. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Thank you. Welcome to Mykonos, where the local time is 16 minutes past 7 in the evening. Please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please do take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave us this evening, please check that you have all of your personal belongings, including anything that you may have placed in the seat area during the flight. If you do require any assistance here, please speak to our ground colleagues, who'll be happy to assist you. And on behalf of us all on board and British Airways, I'd like to apologise for the delay to this service. We would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we do look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you and a very good evening to you all. Thank you. Doors to manual and cross check, please.